Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 easy Korean home remedies that you can do at home to whiten your skin. The first ingredient that we're going to use is milk. Put a half cup of milk into a bowl and then heat it up for about 30 seconds. After that, I'm going to use this compressed mask to make our own DIY sheet mask. If you don't have this, you can just use your regular cotton pad. So now I'm putting it on my face. You want the milk to be warm enough to put on your face and not too hot, and leave this on for about 15 minutes. Milk has lactic acid, which not only removes dead skin cells but also lightens and brightens the skin by removing the topmost layer of damaged skin. With regular use, it will also correct uneven skin tone. I like to use this at least once or twice a week to get glowing skin. The next ingredient that we're going to use is rice. Get a half cup of rice and put it into a bowl. Put 3 cups of water and lightly mix it, then throw away the water to remove any dirt that is on the rice. Then fill it up with at least 3 cups of water again and let it sit for about 15 minutes. There are many ways that we can use this rice water. You will need a small spray bottle, compressed mask or cotton, and an ice tray. You can use it as a toner by putting it in a small spray bottle. You can also use it as a sheet mask by using the compressed mask. And lastly, my favorite is putting it into an ice tray to make small rice ice cubes. Korean women have been using rice water as a skincare and hair care product for centuries because it minimizes blemishes and brightens their skin. Rice water contains some enzymes that have a skin brightening effect. If you look at the ingredients list of most K-beauty products, you may find rice water in it. Many brands have also come up with entire ranges of rice water skincare products. This has got to be my favorite of all the 3 methods since I like doing this in the morning since my face looks very bloated. It just makes my face look brighter and just glowing right after doing this. Plus, it is really refreshing, especially if you live in a hot country like the Philippines. Just make sure to use a towel since it's too cold to hold with your hands. The last Korean home remedy is a mixture of 3 ingredients. So first you will need 1.5 slices of lemon and then juice it. Pour the juice into a bowl with 5 tablespoons of oatmeal. Add 1 cup of water to dilute the lemon. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix these ingredients together. You want it to become a paste mixture. I'm just removing the excess liquid since it's too runny. Then put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. I usually leave mine overnight. Lemon contains acids and antioxidants such as vitamin C that have the ability to naturally lighten the skin, including age spots and acne scars. It may also help reduce skin damage and premature aging. When applied topically to the skin, lemon juice has been shown to play several roles in preventing hyperpigmentation. Honey, on the other hand, has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects on the skin that can help reduce breakouts. Oats are rich in amino acids that help in collagen formation and reverse skin damage due to UV radiation. Regular use of an oatmeal face mask reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and enhances elasticity and firmness. You're gonna leave this mask on for about 5 to 10 minutes. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video, so comment down below which method you would like to try first. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.